You're driving along and need to slow down or stop for a junction ahead. What should you do before slowing down or stopping your vehicle? Correct answer is B. Check your mirrors to see what's behind you. You're loading your car for a long journey with heavy luggage. When would you increase the pressure in your tires above the normal value? Correct answer is B. When carrying a heavy load or towing, as recommended in the vehicle handbook. You're checking your tires before a long journey. What is the legal minimum depth of tread for car tires? Correct answer is B. 1.6 millimeters across the central 3/4 of the tire. You're inspecting your tires and notice they're worn. What makes your tires illegal? Correct answer is B. Tread depth below 1.6 millimeters in any continuous band across the central 3/4 of the tire. You haven't checked your tire pressures for months. How would underinflated tires affect your vehicle? Correct answer is C. Increased fuel consumption, slower steering response, and increased risk of tire failure. You notice your front tires are wearing more on the edges than the center. What can cause excessive or uneven tire wear? Correct answer is B. Incorrect tire pressures, wheel misalignment, or suspension problems. You're driving and feel a vibration through the steering wheel at certain speeds. What will happen if your car's wheels are unbalanced? Correct answer is B. The steering will vibrate, and tires will wear unevenly. You're driving and notice that when you brake, the car pulls strongly to one side. What should you do if your vehicle pulls to one side when you use the brakes? Correct answer is B. Have the brakes checked immediately. There could be a brake fault or suspension issue. You're checking your vehicle before a journey. When should you check the engine oil level? Correct answer is B. When the engine is cold and the car is on level ground. You notice your engine oil or coolant level is getting very low. What could cause you to crash if the level is allowed to get too low? Correct answer is B. Engine seizure or overheating could cause sudden loss of power or breakdown in a dangerous location. You're topping up your engine oil and accidentally add too much. What is likely to happen if you put too much oil in your engine? Correct answer is B. It can cause damage to seals, increased oil consumption, and potentially serious engine damage. Your friend asks what parts of their car they need to maintain. What part of the car does the law require you to keep in good condition? Correct answer is B. All parts, but especially brakes, steering, tires, lights, and emission system. You're driving a diesel car and notice a fuel smell. You are driving a car that has a diesel engine. What can a loose filler cap on your fuel tank cause? Correct answer is B. Fuel spillage, increased emissions, and warning lights on the dashboard. You're driving through a tunnel and smell burning, then see smoke from your bonnet. What should you do if your vehicle catches fire while driving through a tunnel? Correct answer is C. Stop in a safe place, emergency bay if possible, switch off engine, use extinguisher if safe, and evacuate. You want to reduce the risk of your vehicle catching fire. What should you do to reduce the risk of your vehicle catching fire? Correct answer is B. Regular maintenance, checking for fuel leaks, and ensuring electrical systems are in good order. You're driving on a motorway and suddenly hear a loud bang. A tire has burst. What should you do if a tire bursts while you are driving? Correct answer is B. Grip the steering wheel firmly, ease off the accelerator gradually, and do not brake suddenly. You're driving on a motorway and see in your mirror that luggage has fallen from your vehicle onto the carriageway. What should you do? Correct answer is B. Continue to the next exit, then report it to the police or highways agency. You're driving on a motorway and see a large box fall from a lorry ahead, landing in your lane. What should you do? Correct answer is C. Slow down gradually if safe, then report it to the police or highways agency from a safe place.